Okay, guys. So today, I got myself a mini fridge. It's my mom's old one, but it's a mini fridge, and I have like a little snack area now too. And I'm gonna restock my mini fridge, or just stock it because I've never stocked it before. Okay, first I cut up some cucumbers, fresh cucumbers. I'm just gonna. I'll show you guys after. Hello, Aspen. Just back in there, I put a little candy nib so it cools down. Beautiful. We have Capri Suns. Ugh. How are we gonna work? Maybe I'll just put the straws separate. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Maybe I'll just put it like this. I'm very inventive. Look at me. Inventive.
Who wants to go to ice cream?
Ice cream, we're going?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. I'm making a YouTube video restocking my mini fridge.
You have 5 minutes.
I can do that.
Okay, puppies.
So that was a cherry Capri Sun. They're wild cherry. Here's another one. We have a lemonade Capri Sun. So we know we have like a little difference. Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh my, this is not gonna work, is it? I might just leave this shelf out for just a second. Put these in. Oh no. This is way too hard. I thought this would be way easier. So we're gonna put one lemon, cherries down here, lemons up here. And then we have some baby bell cheese we're just gonna put right here. And we have some cucumbers. And also, I have this whole thing. I have like veggie straws, goldfish, wafer crackers, or wafer, whatever they're called, Oreo, like the packs, and then Nutella, and then I have this jar filled with candy. So, yep. And also, I have this really cool sign wall now. And look at my Squishmallows. More of them.